Greetings! Welcome to Saint of the Week, the show where we choose one saint's feast day from this week and discuss their life and their impact on the church. The saint for this week is Saint Nicholas, whose feast day is December 6th, this Wednesday.
Nicholas is a very well-known saint, venerated in several Christian denominations, and known to be the inspiration for the legend of Santa Claus. He bears similarity to St. Valentine and St. Patrick in that he is closely associated with the holiday, but more like Valentine because there aren't very many hard historical facts about his life.
What is known for certain about Nicholas is that he was born in Asia Minor, now modern-day Turkey, on March 15th, 270. His parents raised him as a Catholic but died from an epidemic while he was still young. He was raised by his uncle, a priest, and was later ordained and became bishop of the city of Myra.
Christians suffered great persecution under the Roman Emperor Diocletian, and Nicholas was thrown in prison for his faith. He was eventually released and attended the Council of Nicaea in the year 325, where he condemned Arianism and signed the Nicene Creed. He died in Myra on December 6, 343, and he is the patron saint of children, coopers, sailors, fishermen, merchants, broadcasters, the falsely accused, repentant thieves, brewers, pharmacists, archers, pawnbrokers, bakers, and a number of different countries, cities, and regions.
There are many stories and legends surrounding the life of St. Nicholas, the most famous of which is when he assisted a poor man and his 3 daughters, who had no dowry. Because of this, they could not marry, and if they could find no other employment, would become prostitutes. Under the cover of night, Nicholas tossed 3 bags of gold through the family's window, paying for the daughters' dowries.
There are many other legends about this saint, but there are too many for us to say in this video. What can most easily be gathered from these tales, however, is that Nicholas was an incredibly generous man. Although overshadowed by the stories of Santa Claus, he embodies all the true values of Christmas: charity, sacrifice, and humility. He was undoubtedly devoted and staunch in his beliefs, and his continuing popularity shows how his life of generosity has impacted the world.
Saint Nicholas, pray for us. Our honorable mentions for this week are Saint Francis Xavier, Saint John Damascene, Saint Sabas, Saint Ambrose, Saint Patapios of Thebes, and Saint Juan Diego. And of course, there are thousands of other saints who undoubtedly have their feast days this week, but there are so many of them that there is no way we could list them all here.
We hope you have enjoyed this episode of Saint of the Week. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.
Peace be to you.